All right, the next equation, next page tells us to solve using elimination. Okay, remember elimination is when you have stuff like, 2y and a negative 2y, and so when we add the equations together, those cancel out and we're left with an x, like 2x equals 17 or something like that, whatever. But that's the goal, is to get those opposite of each other so that you can cancel them out. All right, so number 7 is kind of already set up that way. Notice how we have these two that are opposite of each other. 4x minus 4x8 equals 0. So when we add them up, that equals 0. All right, 8 plus 2 is 10. And then add down, 20 minus 30 is negative 10. Divide by 10, y equals negative 1. Well, that was hard. But once I get another one, just plug it in the other. And it doesn't matter. You can use the first equation or the second one. I'm going to use the first just because I feel like it. So 4 times negative 1. Oh, I plugged it in for x instead of y. Come on. Oh, forget it. For Pete's sake. Whoever Pete was. Do I have a Pete this year? No, I don't have a Pete this year. I haven't had Pete in a long time. Negative 1 equals 20. Cool, plug in for y. So 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. Add the 8, so that's 4x equals 28. Divide by 4, x equals 7. So the answer is 7, negative 1. Cool. Number 8 is the same way. Give number 8 a shot before you watch the video, okay? Oh, this one's a little bit different, but same idea. You notice how the y's are the same, but their signs are the same too? Well, I need to multiply one of them. It doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to multiply one of them by a negative 1. So that it'll switch the signs. Remember, multiply all the way across. So 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. Y times negative 1 is negative y. Negative 16 times negative 1 is positive 16. And now I can combine them. So that's negative 11, because negative 3, negative 8. The y's cancel out. And 16 and a negative 5 add up to an 11. Which, lo and behold, divide by negative 11, x equals negative 1. Yay. And again, it doesn't matter. I can use the first one. I can use the second one. I can use the third one. In this case, I'm going to use the first one just because I feel like it. Or I'll use the second one because the numbers look smaller. I don't know why. My brain is tired right now. Plus y equals negative 5. All right, negative 3 times 1. Negative 1 is positive 3. Subtract the 3. Y equals negative 8. So your answer is negative 1, negative 8. One of these days I'll kind of start working on my handwriting.